I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your PSN account on the console or web. Once signed in, open the PlayStation Store. This is where codes redeem. Make sure your gift card code is visible and clear. If physical, gently scratch away the seal. Also check your internet and system updates so the store loads without errors. This prevents interruptions and makes the next step smooth. Now navigate to the Redeem Codes area. You're ready to enter the code immediately. You select Redeem Codes from the store menu and type the 12-character code precisely. Capitalization and hyphens can matter, so enter characters exactly as shown. Once entered, the system will validate and display what the card adds, wallet funds, subscription days, or specific content. Check the amount or subscription details carefully. This avoids surprises. If it looks correct, confirm to add funds or activate the item. After confirmation, the funds appear in your wallet and are ready to use for purchases. You now purchase content by selecting the item and choosing your wallet as the payment method. Make sure the price is covered by your balance. Once the transaction completes, downloads begin or the subscription activates. If an error occurs, double-check the code region matches your account, look for expiration or previous redemption, and verify account country settings. If problems persist, contact PlayStation support with the card details. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most failures and gets you back to playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.